The impossible quiz, question 34. Elephants don't like mice. The one that looks like this. You move the mouse way over to the left, and in come these elephants, and they disappear into the mouse hole. Now, let's. This is my first time trying this all the way through, and I got about 30 seconds in trying to draw an elephant last time. It didn't work, so let me try one more time. We need a movie clip. We're going to call it elephant. And it is a movie clip. We are going to export it for ActionScript, even if we're not sure we're going to need it for coding. Don't think so, but we'll see. So the elephant, right. So deal is you got Mr. Elephant, big floppy ears, looks like a mouse, whatever. So we just need to make him look like he's moving. So there are his 4 legs. You can do better, I know. Let's just go to here and F6 a couple of times every couple of frames. And that's probably going to be enough. That's probably all you need. So right here, what are we going to do with these legs? We're going to just, I guess, rotate them. Now we got to rotate the whole thing. So how about we just move them? Can we move them? Can we rotate this? Yeah, that'll do. So that's trying to rotate like that. Boy, this is going to be ridiculous. We can do the same thing. We select this and we rotate it. You could zoom in and take your time and whatever, but you're going to get the idea here. And maybe these ones are going back. That actually might look half realistic. Kind of like a horse gallops with the feet coming in toward the center. So it's like to there. And one more. I don't want to take too much time doing this, but just so you get the idea, it's selected. We're doing some sort of a change at the second keyframe. Now I better move these feet. Yeah, it's going to look pretty bizarre, but anyway, yeah, right? Okay. In fact, that's enough for me. You know what? I'm happy with that. So I'm going to get rid of these. I'm just going to select them and remove the frames. So there we go. Our happy elephant's going to go back and forth and back and forth. Yeehaw. He needs a tail. There's our elephant, and I think his tail's going to disappear. Whatever. There's our elephant. So the deal is we want 3 of them. So we need a new movie clip. We're going to call all elephants. And all these elephants in this movie clip are going to be elephant number 1, elephant number 2, and elephant number 3. And I guess we could center these. They look a little bit big. Again, all the alignment and stuff you can do yourself. Maybe make them a little bit smaller. So elephants. The deal with the elephants is they will start off of the screen and they will gallop over. Do elephants gallop? Let's say it took about, I'd say 2 seconds, perhaps. So by the 2-second mark, they are about, actually they're all the way through the little hole in the wall. Let's say to there. This is a motion tween. I'd say they're galloping. Back to scene 1. So the deal is here, right? We've got our all elephants. If we double click this, we get, we should get an elephant actually. We're getting a tween, but you get the idea. It's made up of 3 elephants. So we dragged the elephants into the all elephant movie, and it's the all elephant movie that we are going to we're going to attach it when the mouse is passed over here, and over there, right over there, 0, right, or 0 0 is right here. So when the mouse is less than, let's say, 30, okay. So now the question is, where do we put the code? I guess we put the code right here. And this on enter frame. So what's this? This in this case is the frame, because that's what we have selected. So on enter frame, which happens 12 times per second, we're going to make a function. We're going to make a function that is defined by what we put in the braces. And function is just something that does something. And what this function is going to do is say if the mouse goes way over there, so root underscore x mouse is less than, say, 30. So if that happens at any one of the frames 12 times per second, what are we going to do? We're going to attach these elephants. So attach movie turns blue. This is the name from the export for action script. Right, and of course at this point they're going to attach, you may recall, up in the top corner of the movie, and we don't want that. We want to set the x and the y. So as usual, we'll create our own variable named elephants, and we'll assign the attached movie to it, and then we'll go elephants. Give myself a bit more room here. Dot underscore x is assigned, well, the x, we want it to start over on the left, so let's say 0. But the underscore y is in the middle someplace, so 250 seems to be working for us. We'll go with that. So at this point, we take a look. What do we got? If the mouse is way over on the left, less than 30, we attach the movie in a good place. So we finish our if, and we finish our function. And we hope that this is correct. It is. Lovely. So that should be fine, I guess. Yeah, the interesting thing about this is that the elephants actually don't start to go until you move the mouse back. I'm not sure why, but I'll tell you later on. I'll think about this for a second. But like when I go over, they stop again. But we only want them to come over once. So this is going to work. You move the mouse past x of 30 or whatever, and when they move it away, the elephants go and they disappear. And I suppose the last little bit then is to draw our little hole in the wall. And you can just do this until it looks right. Let's just see how this looks. So we move it over and like, ooh, what's going on? But we move it away, and there they go, and they kind of disappear. And there are probably tricks to make that better too. But for now, that's a pretty good start at question whatever it was, 34, I believe, of the Impossible Quiz.